Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Chromebook tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stream to Twitch from your Chromebook. So it's actually very easy. You can do it for free and you don't even have to install any software on your Chromebook. So for this tutorial, we'll be using a company called Lightstream, and this allows us to stream directly from the Chrome browser on our Chromebook to Twitch, Mixer, Facebook, and a bunch of other different streaming services, all for free. Now, they do have a paid version, and we'll get into that later. And their interface allows you to set up scenes similar to OBS, so you can have Streamlabs overlays, you can have different things like that, your webcam. So let's get into how to actually live stream to Twitch from your Chromebook. All right, so the first thing you need to do is simply go to golightstream.com and check the description because I'll have a link down there in case you get lost. Once we get there, go to Get Started and select Lightstream Studio. Now, as you can see, you can stream to Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, and Mixer. In this tutorial, we'll be doing Twitch. Now, in order to actually give them access to stream on your Twitch account, you're going to have to log in and then give them access to do a bunch of stuff on your channel so that they can actually stream, create videos, everything like that on your Twitch channel. So go ahead and read through that, make sure you're okay with that, and select Authorize. Once we select Authorize, it'll bring us here. We can create a new project. Go ahead and select New Project. Then it will open up the new project. So let's go over the layout here. What you have right here is basically what your stream will look like. Now with the free version, your stream will have a little advertisement for this company in the bottom right. So that's just something to note before you do this. You can get rid of this by paying, and all you need to do is select Upgrader up there. Now you do have a limitation of only 8 hours of streaming a month using this service. So you can do up to 8 hours, and then for that month, you're done. You can pay to have unlimited. So over here, this is where we add different things to our stream. So if we want to include our webcam or our entire screen on our Chromebook, this is where we would do it. So go over, select the Add Layer button, and then you can add your webcam right here by selecting Camera. You can add a microphone or Share Screen, which is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to select that. Then we need to select the display. So if you don't have anything plugged into your Chromebook, go ahead and do that. Then select Share. And as you can see, it added the display on my Chromebook to my stream. And that means anything on my Chromebook screen will be part of my stream. So if I have a game or I'm watching YouTube, anything that is being shown on my Chromebook will be streamed to Twitch. Now you can add other things such as your webcam, and you can even use webcams that you plug in, such as like Logitech C920s, things like that. You can use external webcams here. I'm just going to add an image to kind of give you an idea of how to manipulate things when you add them to your stream. So I'll go to Image, Upload from PC. And as you can see, you can upload it from several different things, including just take a picture. I'm just going to go to my device, select an item to upload, and then I'll upload the image. All right, so we have it here. I can change the size of it first by resizing it. So you could do this with your webcam, anything like this. And then you can move it around and place it wherever you want it to be. So I'm going to place it down here. And now basically I am ready to go. I can stream. If I wanted to add a webcam, I could do that. I want to show you one more thing in the layers. If you wanted to add alerts to your stream for follows, donations, bits, something like that, all you need to do is select the Add button in Layer and then go to Third-Party Integration. From here, you can find all the different companies that they've integrated with. I prefer Streamlabs, so this is how you would add it here. You just go to that, enter in the URL from Streamlabs, and then it would add it to your stream. So very cool, very easy right there. Before we stream, let's talk about the resolution up here. So depending on the type of Chromebook you have and the internet you have, you may need to start out with a lower resolution. So start out with 480, see how your stream goes. If it's going well, you can go ahead and try to bump it up to 720. I have found that there's no problem doing that. So I'm going to stream with 720. And then once you're ready to go, all you need to do is select Go Live. So as you can see, it's starting the stream. And then we are now live on Twitch. I can watch my stream by selecting Watch Stream. While that's loading, I'm going to go back to Lightstream, and you can see that it also adds your chat from Twitch right here. So you'll be able to see everything from your Chromebook if you wanted to right here, and you can chat, and that'll all go on Twitch. And now when I go back to Twitch to view my stream, you can see that I'm now live on Twitch, which is pretty cool. Now to end my stream, all I need to do is go back to Go Lightstream and then select End Stream in the top right. That'll end my stream. As you can see at the top now, I have 7 hours and 52 minutes left in my free account for streaming. All right, so that's how you live stream on Twitch from a Chromebook. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Chromebook or Twitch tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.